Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we are going to understand what is MCP Server, how can we set up a basic MCP server to access MySQL database using Claude. So let's start the video. So what is MCP? This is the official definition of MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is an open source standard for connecting AI application to external system. Using MCP, AI applications like Claude or ChatGPT can connect to data source, tools and workflows, enabling them to access key information and perform some task. So let's go ahead and try to set up MCP in Claude Desktop. I assume you have already installed Claude Desktop in your system. So this is my Claude Desktop. Now go to breadcrumb icon over here and go to Files and then go to Settings. And at the end you will see an option as Developer. Click on it and you will see an option as Edit Config. If there is any MCP server running, it will be shown over here. So click on Edit Config and it will open Explorer with Claude Desktop config.json file. Open this file in VS Code editor and we will add our MCP server with MySQL configuration over here. Let me show the MySQL setup. I have installed MySQL locally and let me log into MySQL. So it's running on localhost on port 3306 with username as root and the password is root. And I already have a sample database, that is classic models, which contains information about customers. So I will use this classic models database for MCP server. Let's go back to Claude Desktop config.json file and write the MCP server configuration for MySQL. So I will write a JSON configuration. MySQL is the server name, npx is the command, @execute automation / database server is an npm package that acts as an MCP server for database. MySQL flag tells to use the MySQL mode, host is localhost, database is classic models, port is 3306, user is root and the password is root. Once you save this, we have to restart the Claude Desktop. Go back to Settings and under Developer, you will see MySQL MCP server and its status is running. So basically, your MCP server is running. Now, let's use this server in the chat and get information about the classic models database. So, click on New Chat and if you click on plus icon and go to Connectors, you can see MySQL is connected. Now, let's ask some question. Give me the list of tables in classic models database. And it gives me 8 tables, which is same what we actually have in the MySQL. Now, let's say I want to get top 5 countries based on the customers. So, give me top 5 country based on customers. Give the output in pie chart format. And the Claude uses the MySQL MCP server to connect to classic models database and gives the information about the customer in the pie chart format. As you can see, we are able to set up a basic MCP server for MySQL and we are able to connect it and query MySQL from Claude desktop directly. So with this, I will wrap up today's video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.